Hey, what's up, Theta Network holder? That's a very good time, my brother, for Theta Network holder. And what's up? What's going on, holder? I hope you will be happy because you enjoy the scene, enjoy the charts, enjoy the change occurring of Theta Network, and definitely, my friend, get a profits now. So, my brother, one thing I want to tell you in this video, my friend, I will tell you about the price, my friend, prediction, and also, my brother, we need to hold or buy or sell. What you need, my brother, I will tell you everything. So kindly you want to if you want to my friends need this type more informative videos, so kindly you just click the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more this type informative videos. All right, let's come to the point. The Theta Network change occurring in last 1 hour 0.33 percentage, my friend. You would see here the prices fails down, but in last 1 day, my friend, plus 3.95% profit, and last 7 days plus 22.06% profit. Now that's mean, my brothers, to this time Theta Network is completely in the profit and get a very good chance, my brother, to get a money, my brother. So why you miss this chance? Please take a risk and my friend, invest now. I hope in upcoming time Theta Network price will be increasing now, but if you take a risk, so I think this is possible now to you will get a profit, my brother. This time the Theta Network price is 6.56 USD dollar. This is the highest price, and the current price is 5.98 USD dollar. So this time you can see here the chain occurred 26.63%. That's a profit, and definitely it's a very good now. And my brother, if you can see here the chart results, so the chart is gonna be very good now, my brother, and that's clear to the coin will moving in upward direction. They cannot face down from the resistance line, so that's a really good now, my brother. In upcoming time Theta Network, there is a lot of chances, my brother, so they will move upward and they will give you a profit, but just in only you need to hold it now. And if you hold, so I hope in upcoming time they will make you millionaire now. Thanks for watching, Theta Network holder. Hope you enjoy this video. Please like video, subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification.